If we take a look at the Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame, as you can see, since the end of 2022 when our trend turned bullish, a trend line has formed below the price. You can clearly see that the recent drop we had a few days ago came down and touched this long-term trend line exactly at the $102,000 price level. So what happened wasn't anything unusual, and our contact with this trend line, which we've had several times over the past 3 years, has happened again in the past few days. You can also see very clearly that even on a shorter time frame, we have another trend line that continues to be tested as well. Here, I am setting the time frame to a daily view, and if we take a closer look at this particular short-term trend line as well, as you can clearly see, you've had several distinct touches to this significant trend line just in these past 2 consecutive days. I'm setting the time frame to 4 hours, and as you can see, after repeatedly touching this trend line, it's continuing its upward trend again and forming an uptrend. We have a range above it starting from $117,100 up to $118,500, with the midpoint at $117,700. It's predicted that in the near future we'll see a reaction to these same levels so that this uptrend can be filled. Of course, above that there's another uptrend. We have a range, and whether it's in this leg or in the next legs, we will definitely see a reaction to it and fill this level. Therefore, in the short term, it's predicted that we'll see a reaction to this level. But the level below $110,000 is a very strong support line, and it's better that we don't lose this level. Otherwise, if we do lose it, our movement will continue toward $103,000 to $104,000.